Hello, if you want to see the most chaotic makeup look I've ever filmed, oh my gosh, my camera is falling. See, do you see what I mean by chaotic? Um, it's just, this one's an interesting one, but yeah, it's just to sit down and get ready with me, usually like what I usually do, and yeah, we're just talking. Please let me know if you enjoyed this, but yeah, continue to watch if you want to see how I chaotically created this little ombre eyeliner moment. Let me expose myself, but there it is. Oh, I'm exposing myself even more. But yeah, so enjoy. Yes. So I have a feeling that maybe it'll be brought up, but I always feel like people are like, or people might think that like my foundation is super yellow compared to like my actual skin tone. Which, yes, you would be correct, but because I have so much red and I do it to cancel out my redness. But also, I think once after it's blended, like I'm not going 18 shades darker, you know what I'm saying? I'm just like using a different undertone. So, give my little spritz. And then I mentioned Thanksgiving earlier, and then I was so rude and did not ask what you guys would be doing for Thanksgiving. So yeah, if you want to leave a comment below what you guys would be doing for Thanksgiving, like what's your favorite food, if you celebrate Thanksgiving. I gotta film my TikTok, so don't judge me. I don't know how I've yet to be sponsored by Elf. I really don't. Because I simply love them and I've raved about their products for years. I think they're the best drugstore brand. It literally so good, but I guess I am not worthy of a sponsorship yet. I mean, I literally only have like 200 followers on this account, so that makes sense. It makes sense, but I think I want to use my Fenty cream this time. I don't know. Fenty is something else, you know. I love Fenty so much, and they reposted my TikTok. I did a look inspired by the Fenty, the lingerie shoot that they did, and they reposted that TikTok, and I shat myself. Like, look at how beautiful that is. I love bronzing my face. Let me know. Do you guys like a lot of bronzer or more blush? Because I think I actually am. If it comes down to it, I'm definitely more of a bronzer gal, but I do put so much blush on. But I just think it's so much fun. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. I am simply gonna cry. One of my, I had an article written on me in my school newspaper. I go to Appalachian State, for people who don't know. I never really said that on camera, I don't think, but yeah, I do. I go to Appalachian State, and I had an article written about me in our school paper, which is the Appalachian, and it was a lovely, I had so much fun, and I felt like famous because I was like, oh my god, like an article is gonna get written about me, and I was so excited. And the article came out today as I'm filming this, and it's amazing how many people like reached out to me. Was like, oh my god, like it's so amazing. Like people I didn't really think like knew me out. Like I have professors that reached out to me, like old professors that I had like my freshman year. Like it's so nice. And I did not think that many people would, I don't know, reach out, I guess, and it's just so nice. It's so nice to see. I've really been, you know, into makeup for such a long time, and like I don't know, you can make fun of me, but like I think really TikTok has helped me a lot in growing an audience. And I used to make fun of TikTok, and I used to be so like I used to be so mean to my sister when she would make them, but it is like a fun platform, but it's crazy. It's so crazy. But yeah, so I don't know, I just rambled a little bit. I'm just like, I'm trying to like keep my cool. So yeah, let me set this because she is looking dewy. We just want to go and take some dew away. Still want to keep the glow and but we don't want to be, you know, slip and sliding everywhere around. You know what I'm saying? I've used this brush so much I think it's gonna break. Like, it's gonna break. I need new brushes. That's on my wish list. I really need new brushes. I've had the same brushes for years, and like I wash them and everything, but I think new brushes are just like, after you've worn, like, I think you have to switch out your brushes every couple of years. Maybe more than that. I know there's probably going to be like people who are like really into makeup. They're like, no, you need to switch them out more than a couple of years. But so I've been watching a lot of Alana Davison for literally forever, and you know what? I'm gonna feel so bad if it's actually pronounced Alana, but I've heard her say her name, and I think it's Alana. Anyway. But I have watched her for years, and you know, I've heard her mention Jamie Genevieve, and I've seen Jamie Genevieve on like my YouTube for like suggested, but I'm so picky about who I watch, so I never watched her. What a mistake I was making, because oh my god, I have binge watched Miss Jamie Genevieve. I'm speechless. Like, she is so talented, and I feel like I'm so excited. Like, I feel like my energy is too high, and I feel crazy a little bit, but so I started binge watching her, and then she came out with her brand, Vive, and I said, "You're lying." And like, I saw her. I was like, oh, should I buy it? Like, maybe not. Like, I don't know how good it would be. But then, like, I watched her, you know, talking about it, and she's just so humble, and I love that. Like, it was just so nice to see, and, like, she was like, I don't really want to talk about it. Like, it's so weird to talk about it. So, I don't know. I just loved that video of her introducing it. And I'm also like just so happy for her. Like, that's really like every person who does like makeup, like that's like their dream, is to have like their own makeup brand. So Miss Jamie Genevieve, if you seeing this, let me be a muse, please. I don't have a fan like Miss Jamie Genevieve, but I do have pattern pieces that I will fan my face with. I'm putting highlight on. But no, I'm not going to go as intense today, I don't think. I'm just going to put a little right there. I'm going to dip into this palette that my stepmom got me a couple years ago at Christmas. And I'm going to dip into the shade Desert Vibes and just blend that in my crease. I completely forgot to film a TikTok, and y'all didn't stop me. What was I doing? I think I'm gonna darken it just a little bit. No, I really shouldn't. Because I'm gonna do a liner, so maybe not. But maybe I should put a little bit of a lighter shade Okay, what color should I do? Let me know in the comments, but guess what? It'll already be done by the time you comment. Also, my thing is about to die. Should I do a neon pink? I think I always end up doing a neon pink, but I just think it's so cute. Let me not do a neon pink. I literally always end up doing one. A blue, purple, orange, dark green. Ooh, I think I like the dark green. I think I'm gonna go dark green. And oh, wait, hold on. I might do like a little ombre moment with this. This might be something. Hold on. I'm just gonna take a little bit of my absolute favorite Danessa Myricks Color Fix in the shade Limesicle, and I'm just gonna put that in the first half of my stomach just growled so loud actually. So now I'm taking another fave. I'm taking Secret Garden. I'm so mediocre at makeup. It's embarrassing. Okay, I don't have that much time left. My camera's about to die, but this is the finished look. Do I hate it? No. Is it my best look? But this was just a sit down and get ready with me. I am putting my glasses on and I am going to the library. My glasses are so dirty. I'm going to the library and studying for an exam. So if you like this, please let me know. If there's anything that you would like to see from me, please let me know. And yeah, please subscribe if you want to. Hit that notification bell if you want to, because you'll need to be notified because I don't have a schedule. And yeah, my Instagram and my TikTok will be posted below. And yeah, have a great day.